Welcome to Proven and Probable, where we focus on metals, mining, and more. Joining us today is Eric Jensen of EMX Royalties. Thanks for joining us today, sir.
Yeah, hi, Maurice.
Eric, a lot of investors are concerned about this new logo. Does that mean that there's a change for EMX Royalties from Eurasian Minerals, or do we still have the same great management, same great philosophy?
Well, you know, there is a change, and the change is to the name of the company. And the reason we did that, and people do ask questions, say, well, does that reflect the change in your business practice? Absolutely not. We're doing the same work that we've always done, the same people, same team, but we wanted to better convey to the market and our investors the true nature of what the company, the value that we're developing as a company. That's royalties. We've been focused on royalties for a long time, but people really saw us as an exploration company, which is true. We did a lot of exploration, but we built a giant royalty portfolio package as a product of that exploration. We wanted people to see that and recognize that with our name.
Now, discussing the name and the royalties, let's talk about Scandinavia. It's very near and dear to my heart and your heart.
That's right. Yeah. Well, we've been very active in Scandinavia over the past, we started working in Scandinavia about 4 or 5 years ago, and we built a substantial portfolio. We advanced the projects. We got that down to 4 really good projects. And last fall, we found a junior company, it's a private company called Boreal Metals Corporation, which had access to capital that wanted to advance some projects in Scandinavia. So we formed a partnership with them. Eurasian's a significant shareholder. We have royalties in the properties, and those projects will be advanced by Boreal. We're going to start drilling here in the next few weeks, few months. We get a very aggressive program planned for this fall. So Eurasian looked around and said, well, our portfolio now has been vended, and let's look at restocking the shelves. And so for the last couple of years during the downturn, a lot of companies were running low on capital. And so land positions that were really nice pieces of property became available, and we acquired a great deal of land with a short list of properties that we were watching. We said, when this one comes available, we're going to get that. And so after we did the deal with Boreal, my main focus in Scandinavia was to restock those shelves and to rebuild the portfolio. We've done a nice job of that. 120,000 hectares of mineral rights across Sweden and Norway we've obtained in the last 8 months. And again, that's the product of many years of work identifying these opportunities and waiting for them to come open at the right time.
That's quite aggressive and great strategic move, and I know shareholders are delighted to hear about that.
This is what we do.
Let's switch gears and talk about the latest press release.
Yes, which is right here in front of us. So as a lot of people that are familiar with our company know, we have a sizable investment in a company that's making one of the biggest ongoing copper and gold discoveries in the world in far southeastern Russia. This is being done in cooperation with Freeport McMoRan. And so Freeport is a 49% owner in this project. The company that we're backing is a 51% owner. They control the project, operate the project. That's a company called IG Copper. We're the largest shareholders. So 2 EMX people, Dave Cole and Michael Wynn, who are on our board of directors and our CEO and president, are on the board of directors for IG Copper. We work very closely with that company. And so we just had a press release 2 days ago announcing some fantastic drill results. So this is an ongoing discovery of a whole series of copper and gold porphyry deposits in far eastern Russia. Our latest drill results, 417 meters of 0.6 copper equivalent. And that's 0.5% copper, 0.21 gold. Nice drill results. This is from practically the surface, very shallow mineralization, very low strip ratio in our models. It's going to look really good on the balance sheet.
It's quite impressive. And just for a first-time listener, give us the name of the project in Russia.
Malmish. This is our Malmish project, and it's being operated by IG Copper. We're the largest shareholder. We have 2 board seats, and they're partnered with Freeport on this project.
Before we close here, catalyst. What catalyst do you see in the next 6 months here for EMX Royalties?
I think once this name change takes hold, people start recognizing us as a royalty company, which is what we are. We've got a big stable of royalty interests around the world across commodity types. Once that recognition takes place, I think we're going to see some action in our share price. But also, one of the key catalysts for value drivers for our company is the fact that because our royalty revenues are increasing through time, and our overall revenues from all of our property agreements around the world continue to generate additional cash flow with time. We are reaching a point now where our revenues are basically the same as our expenditures. We're becoming cash flow neutral, which is very important for an exploration company.
Yes, it
means we don't have to go to the market to raise capital. We have enough capital coming in from our agreement payments and from our royalty streams savings to pay for all the activities of the company. And as a key shareholder, which I am in the company, that means less dilution, more value. And those are the key parts.
Very critical. Before we leave,
Yes.
give us the new symbol as well, because there was a change in the last 6 months. It's no longer EMXX, it's now
EMX. And so on the New York Stock Exchange, we used to be trading under the symbol EMXX. It's now EMX in both exchanges, Toronto and in New York. So,
Before we close, Eric, let me ask you this. What is the website?
oh, the
contact you.
www.emxroyalties.com.
And is there a phone number as well?
There's a phone number. It's area code 303-973-8585.
Eric Jensen of EMX Royalties. Thank you for joining us today on Proven and Improbable.
Thanks, Maurice. Cheers.
Thank you for joining us today on Proven and Probable. Remember to like and subscribe for more conversations with the most respected names in the natural resource space. Check out our website at www.provenandprobable.com. The information presented on Proven and Probable is provided for educational and informational purposes only, without any express or implied warranty of any kind, including warranties of accuracy, completeness, or fitness for any particular purpose. The information is not intended to be and does not constitute financial, investment, or trading advice, or any other advice. You should not make any financial, investment, or trading decision based on any of the information presented without first undertaking independent due diligence and consultation with a professional broker or competent financial advisor.